Hello guys, I am Soumen and you have seen my YouTube channel as tutorials and information. In this video today we will discuss about a new vacancy. Before start the video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's start the video. At first I talk about a new vacancy in Joint Indian Coast Guard, Ministry of Defence as Navy, General Duty, 10 plus 2 entry, batch 2020 January. Application will be accepted online from 26 August to 1st September. Then education qualification 10 plus 2 passed with maths and physics from an education board recognized by central or state with minimum 50% aggregate. मीन्स फिजिक्स और मैथ दोनों मिलके 50% होना चाहिए. एंड साइंस बैकग्राउंड साइंस होना चाहिए. एज लिमिट मिनिमम 18 ईयर्स एंड मैक्सिमम 22 ईयर्स बिटवीन 1st February 1998 to 31 January 2002. Selection procedure: at first written exam, then physical fitness, then medical test, and then join examination centers: Northern Zone, Jalandhar, Dehradun, Jodhpur, Noida, Varanasi. North East Zone, East Zone, West Zone, North West Zone, A and N Zone. ये सब आप देख लेंगे. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नोटिफिकेशन दिया हुआ है ढेर सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देखने के लिए, जानने के लिए. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नोटिफिकेशन दिया हुआ है, उससे आप देख लेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग this video.